Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another HALO Mini on a 2021 Hyundai Tucson with gearbox lock. So how the system works is someone's to grab this key, jump in and try and start it. As soon as I put my foot on the brake, obviously the vehicle will start. It's ready to go. Okay, if you watch carefully, we're ready to go. But as soon as I try and put it into gear, it just keeps on swinging back into park. Okay, keeps on swinging back into park. Watch carefully. So what we do is we insert a code which we're going to change after the video. We've done something very basic for the customer. So tap, tap, tap. There's our flash, and now we're able to select a gear and drive away. Okay, gone into drive. Really simple and straightforward. Okay, as soon as I open the door, if you watch carefully, the system becomes armed with two flashes. If I then try and start it again, you'll see it just won't allow me. Let's just start it. Try and put it into gear. Maybe reverse this time. Just keeps on going back into park. Watch carefully. Okay. Basically all we do is just, as I said, just put the code in. There's our flash, and we're able to select gear and drive away. Okay. If we want to place it in valet mode, this is also very, very simple. Basically just open the door, the system is armed. So to place it in valet mode, do not put your foot on the brake. Tap the start button twice, once for accessory, again for main ignition. This time insert your code, but on the last press, hold the last press. So tap, 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 hold. There's our disarm, and hold for about 20 seconds. And what we'll do is we'll get 5 flashes, and that will place the system in valet mode. It's not speed or distance dependent. You put it in and you take it out. There you go, it's now in valet mode. So if I turn the start button off, open the door, you'll see the system won't arm. Okay, the system won't arm. So now obviously I'm going to try and start it just to confirm. The vehicle goes to ready and I'm able to put it into gear. So let's just put it into gear. There you go. Gone into drive. You see, we're able to drive away. Okay. When we get the vehicle back, again, just double tap the start button without your foot on the brake. Vehicle cannot be running. Insert the code again, and this time hold once again. So tap, 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 hold the last press. Give it about 20 seconds and you'll see it will give us a flash to say it's come out of valet mode. So watch carefully. There's our flash. If I turn the start button off and open the door, there you go. The system is now armed. If finally I want to change the code, this is also very, very simple. So first of all, I turn the start button on to main ignition without the vehicle running. Insert the code so we've passed authorization, disarmed it. There's our disarm. Now we tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times and that'll bring us to learn mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go, and now we'll insert the code and then we've got 5 seconds to turn it off and it will store the code. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 this time. Turn the start button off. That's now learned. Okay, open the door, let it arm. So now let's just try the new code. So start the vehicle up. This time it's 3 down and then one of these. So 1, 2, 3, tap. There's our disarm and we're able to drive away. As I said, this is the HALO Mini. Also on here, we've done remote immobilisation. So obviously if it was stolen in valet mode, then obviously you'll be able to go and retrieve it. Just put a block on it. Obviously they won't be able to restart it. And also if you were lending this to somebody and you wanted to let them have the push sequence during the day and at night you didn't want them to use it, just send a remote command from our next video. And that will just basically show you how to obviously kill it so the push sequence won't work and they can't move it. As I said, my name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.